could tell what you've done, yeah. When I look at you in your eyes, I see there's something burning inside you. Oh, inside you, in your eyes. I know it hurts to smile, but you try.
Hey, yeah, this one goes out to all the 65 plus crowd on SoundCloud. Not gonna say much. Shout out Jet Will. He gonna take over on the mic. Old ladies suck.
Okay.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh.
Happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama, 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 llama. Who is this big llama starting all this drama? It's me.
A 100 years from now, if somebody should bring up my name, if it would still be around, it would be nice if people say, geez, I thought he was a good writer. His stories gave me a lot of pleasure. That's what people tell me now, and it's the...
Just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did a good thing.
So I want to be able to mount my phone on this bracket on my ring light right here. I don't know if they sell a bracket for that, but I decided I'd just make one and record it. Based on those measurements, I drew up a piece that I'm going to 3D print now. This is my printer. This is my 3D printer, and we will start the print. So the printer's going to be working away for about an hour or so. I'll just cut to when it's done. So here it is off of the printer. Here it is on the ring light, and I'll just put my phone in there. Look at that. You can probably pick it up and turn it.
Can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. I can be your cherry apple pecan on your key lime. Baby, I got everything and so much more than she's got.
Do it sometime.
Take me out to the back of the shed and shoot me in the back of the head. Take me out to the back of the shed and shoot me in the back of the head.
I'm gonna make you sweat. Dog collar around your neck, on your knees and rub the deck. Oh, there's a spot over there, so I'll drag you by the hair. So rub it, whip it, try it till I tell you to stop. When I'm on the throne, it's a total freak zone. You can call me mom.
You know the ones who said I'd never find someone like you.
Bring that ass back like a boom boom.
On I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, Baby Yoda, baby Yoda. Baby Yoda, baby Yoda, baby Yoda, baby Yoda, baby Yoda, baby Yoda. The galaxy is going to.
So I just got my first 3D printer, and I thought I'd show you one of the first items that I decided to print with it. Any guesses what it might be? If you need a hint, it's a vehicle from a classic movie. I got this model from fab365.net, and after printing it out and removing it from the print bed, I folded it together to end up with this, the DeLorean from the Back to the Future series. The cool thing about this model is that the doors actually open, and the back opens up as well. Also, the wheels fold up, turning it into a flying car. Leave me a comment and let me know what kind of things you'd like to see me print next.
And today we get to play with an interesting storage box. This is a nice system to synchronize both sides. Now let's mount the slides and the lock screw. You can probably also use it as a DJ.